How to create a system in DCKAP Integrator. Let's start with the basics. Systems are individual platforms that DCKAP Integrator directly connects to or connects using APIs are known as systems. For example, ERP or e-commerce is a system. These systems need to be configured in DCKAP Integrator to be able to communicate with them, read, write, and update data. Systems play a vital role in creating flows and integration pipes within DCKAP Integrator. There are two categories of systems in DCKAP Integrator. Private systems. These systems are created by the user. The project owner or administrator can create a private system and use the same. As the name suggests, these systems are private and only accessible to the project members. Public systems. These are inbuilt systems that DCKAP Integrator directly connects to, or connects using APIs are known as public systems. For example, P21 ERP is a system, and so is the Magento e-commerce platform. First, let's understand what the Systems page is all about. It's the hub where you can add, edit, and maintain systems, complete with APIs and credentials for your project. These APIs will play a crucial role in establishing connections within your project. To add a system, just follow these simple steps. First, choose the project from the dashboard. On the left side, select the system icon. Click on the Add New System button on the Systems page. Step 1. Choose a system from the list. Step 2. Provide the necessary credentials. Name. Give your credential details a suitable name. Host name. Enter your system's URL. Time zone. Select the target system server time zone. Secure keys. Provide secure keys depending on the system chosen. These credentials will be used to authorize your API connections in your flows. Step 3. Test your credentials with a fresh token. This ensures everything is set up correctly. Keep an eye on your server's health with regular checks. It will notify project owners and admins via email if the server experiences downtime. But what if you can't find the system you need in the existing list? No worries, you can create a private system, and it is accessible only to your project members.
Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.